So, the old Hyundai's gotten all bumbly lately. Yeah, that's not right. Of course, there's that light there, but that's been there for years. Taking gas alright right now. Sometimes it won't do that. Yeah, that's pretty rough. I believe I hear a massive vacuum leak somewhere. I'd say we need one of those. And by one of those, I would suspect by the location of this device that this is the Hyundai's idle air control apparatus. Well, let's go look it up. Yep, that's what that is, alright. But I think we can do better than that. Okay, once you have that part number of a decent part from the auto parts store, you can search the internet for it and avoid some markup. But that idle air control valve is why it's idling so poorly right now. The deal is, on a modern engine, the throttle plate is completely closed when your foot is off the gas, and this is not where the idle is adjusted. There's this idle air control valve, which bypasses the throttle plate. There's a port in here that comes to one side and to the other, and the air to maintain an idle goes through this valve, which can be controlled by the computer then to adjust for accessory loads and other conditions. So the computer can do its best to keep the thing from dying. And so when we get a new one of these, it'll just be a matter of unplugging the electrical connector, and then there are two bolts here, that one and one diagonal from that down here at the bottom. There it is. And of course some kind of gasket or seal there. That's more like it. And there it is, genuine Hyundai for cheaper than the auto parts store. Yeah, that'll go real nice there. So I could just push this deal down. Get my 10mm. Alright, let's take the throttle cable out of the way. There we go, not too bad. Come on. No clearance. That is stupid. Alright, let's try the number 3 Phillips on that. Yeah. Too tight. Yeah. Now let me put this down. Okay. It comes off with two hands. But that sure is silly. Not leaving enough clearance there to get a socket on. So you see the problem there. Our new one, while having the same numbers and specs and being genuine Hyundai as well, new one's a Bosch, as opposed to a Cafeco, whatever that is. Looks like the gasket surface is just fine. I'll just brush away the dirt. No hideous vacuum leak anymore. Would idle yet? That's idle? Alright. We have an idle. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.